Hello guys, nandito ako ngayon sa Kinokuniya Coffee Shop at nagkakape habang nag-aantay ng fountain show later dyan. And so kanina galing ako sa kalye dyan. Meron silang Dubai Classic Car display and they have different cars, classic cars. Looks amazing. Just there, and we are going there right now. You can see the Burj Khalifa car exhibition is just beside here. People having these cars for sure are very rich. I've never been to the other side, but when I see from here, it's still a lot of cars, classic cars from that side. And look at this. So this is the Dubai Fountain, and this is the Burj Khalifa, and they are doing a construction on here. Maybe it's a extension of Dubai Mall. And look at that. Look at that. And the classic cars is in there on that road, moving from that side, and it's nice. Thank you for watching, guys.